Hey travelers! Welcome back. Want to explore Budapest without spending a single forint? From epic city views to local culture and hidden gems, this guide covers the best free things to do across the city with practical tips, stunning sights, and everything in between. Let's dive in. Fisherman's Bastion. Begin your adventure at Fisherman's Bastion, where the fairy tale towers and panoramic views of the Parliament are free to enjoy from the lower terraces. If you get there early in the morning, you'll beat the crowds and catch the golden light shimmering on the Danube. Buda Castle grounds. Next, take a peaceful stroll through the Buda Castle courtyards. You don't need a ticket to explore the majestic grounds, and if you enter from the Vienna Gate side, the walk uphill is quiet and scenic, perfect for soaking in the atmosphere of Royal Budapest. Gellért Hill and Citadella. For even more breathtaking views, make your way up Gellért Hill. The short but steep climb rewards you with sweeping cityscapes, especially magical at sunset. It's a peaceful escape right in the heart of the city. Liberty Bridge. Head back down and cross the bold green Liberty Bridge, a local favorite for a casual hangout. In the summer, it becomes an impromptu gathering spot where people sit on the rails, chat, or enjoy the colors of dusk over the river. Parliament and shoes on the Danube. Walk along the river to see the towering Parliament building, one of Europe's finest. Just a few steps away, the Shoes on the Danube Memorial offers a quiet, powerful moment of reflection along the water. Chain Bridge. Connecting Buda and Pest since 1849, the Chain Bridge is Budapest's most iconic crossing. After years of renovation, it's reopened for pedestrians and offers breathtaking views of the Parliament, Buda Castle, and the Danube. Whether you walk it by day or when it's lit up at night, it's one of the city's most photogenic and completely free spots. St. Stephen's Basilica. As you stroll through central Pest, pause at St. Stephen's Basilica, a towering neoclassical masterpiece. While entry to the interior and dome has a small fee, the square and the basilica's facade are entirely free to enjoy. It's one of the city's most photographed landmarks, especially stunning during sunset when the stone glows golden against the sky. Heroes Square and City Park. Back on the Pest side, stop at Heroes Square and continue into City Park. Vajdahunyad Castle. Tucked into City Park is Vajdahunyad Castle, a blend of Gothic, Romanesque, and Baroque styles. The best part? You can wander the castle grounds freely. It feels like you've stepped into a fantasy novel, especially if you arrive early before the day crowds. Tram Line 2 ride. And finally, if you have a transit pass, hop on Tram Line 2. This scenic route hugs the river and glides past Parliament, Buda Castle, and the bridges. Sit on the right side heading north for the best window views. It's basically a budget river cruise on rails. So there you have it, unforgettable free experiences in Budapest. From hilltop panoramas to island picnics and open-air art, you don't need to spend a fortune to fall in love with this city. Don't forget to download the free map with all locations linked below, and subscribe for more smart, budget-friendly travel guides.